I think the power's back on.
Oh yeah, it is. How'd you sleep?
Absolutely terrible.
Well, I slept perfectly. Actually, I got exquisite sleep.
Oh,
So do
Marvin,
we,
stop!
do we wake him up?
Stop whipping me!
Marvin, I don't know what you two get up to. And whatever he's dreaming about, I don't like it. Can we please wake him up, please?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wake him up.
Peanut butter.
Come on, buddy. Wake up.
You,
You okay, buddy?
Can't say that, man.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Do you need to sleep, Margaret? You wanna put peanut butter up my hand?
No.
Oh! You guys are weird!
No,
Anyway.
that's not me! I have a f***ing wife.
I do too! Bro? You wanna fight?
Okay, guys, well, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we should check the fridge. You guys still have those leftovers, I think. So I'm gonna go check it. If you guys don't have them, I'm gonna scream. Okay, let's go get some grub. They're not in here! It's not in here! Did you guys eat all? Did you guys eat all of it? Did you eat all of the food in one sitting? You fat asses! There's nothing in here! Marvin, you said that you had enough for leftovers for the next day. What are we gonna do? We're gonna starve! You're speechless.
What about him? What about him?
I'm gonna go.
What about him? No! You... What about him?
You sung that stupid song!
My glasses!
Shut up! Shut up!
Wait a minute! Hold on!
What?
Hold on!
Bruh.
What? Yo.
What?
I was the one that paid you to order that. I didn't even pay you to order that. I paid you to make us food. So.
No, you can't say that.
No! Bro thinks he's a part of the team.
Listen, I can't cook, you know that!
I'm speechless.
I thought just you guys ate the food. You know what? You guys are under more hot water than I am. Your breath stinks. You guys are under more fire than I am because one, we don't have any food to eat. There's nothing. I trusted you guys to eat the food and save some for today, but you didn't. And you think that somehow me ordering Grubhub is worse? What?
Elbow macaroni.
I can't make it.
You can't make that.
can't make-
You can't make elbow macaroni.
No, I burn it every time.
You can't. Elbow macaroni. You can't make that.
No.
Yes.
Why are you even a chef? You can't cook? What?
Elbow macaroni! Come on, kids! Macaroni, cook it.
You can make macaroni! Your song! Chef Pee-Pee's in the kitchen, I'm the king of cooking things. Whatever you say macaroni in the song. You can make macaroni! What the...
That's not my fault. You're just not calling bit over, but Ice is gonna kill me. And for your information, I was also I was hired as a maid too, dumbass, so I can at least clean, and now I have to clean this up because of you!
Make your ass useful and clean that then!
Hey, man, I know Marvin can seem rude sometimes, but he's really a nice guy. I mean, like, come on, he's just a little new around here.
He's been living here for 10 years!
Clean that.
Oh, no, stop. Stop
Mm,
touching me!
Marvin.
This is racism!
I got it, boy!
This is racism!
Good boy!
This is literally, like,
Marvin, can I talk to you over here?
That'd be less rude and honestly brick bling.
Hey?
But
go get him, Tiger!
what the hell was that? Why did I? Okay. I think it's done.
No,
what do you want me to do?
It's nice.
Oh, be nice. Hey, Pee-Pee. I know things are looking pretty bad. You know, you did great back there. But a little less pee-peeing. You know, it's looking pretty spotless. I think you're fine. Just ooh. So you're sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
You know what? Oh, how can I not forgive someone who's lived here for 10 years? Come here!
I love you.
So, what do we do now? I can't cook anything, and I can't order off Grubhub because they're not delivering right now because of the snow.
Why don't you just cook the elbow macaroni?
You spilled it all, and I had to clean it. Why would I cook for you now?
There's still more.
Is there? I'm still not cooking it for you. I'm not cooking anything. After what you've done, after how much you disrespected me.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Look at
Oh no, that sounds like
That's evil things, guy.
Hold on. I thought he was dead.
Who's that?
Oh.
yeah. There's does
Nothing.
bad things, guy,
yeah.
but you're not supposed to know him unless you played the Friday Night Funkin' mod.
Ooh. No. I just thought that was bad. I thought that was
Go
like,
get him, Tiger.
oh, go get. Oh my God! Who the hell could be at the door? Oh wait, he told me. Let's see who this does evil things guy is. Ah! Okay.
Oh, shucks! You open the door! Marvin Sue, get him!
What the? Oh!
Fuck, that didn't work!
Oh, you good, buddy? I'm just gonna go tell Chef Pee-Pee what the hell just happened.
What is that?
What the f is that? That looks like some sort of Marvin 2.
I couldn't tell you. You know what? Let's list the things that are wrong here. First of all, why does he look like me?
Have you guys met before?
No, I've never seen this guy in a day of my life. He looks like him, but absolutely cracked out.
Yeah, I know. He has like a saw on his hand or something.
Well, why the f does he have a saw on his hand? Is he gonna cut a pizza?
I don't know. Second of all,
Yeah.
How does he even know of my existence?
Maybe he's a stalker.
Maybe he's part of some shucks already or something.
What are you talking about? What's a shucks?
What the hell is a shucks? Like the phrase? Oh, shucks. Oh, he's gone. Oh. I'm in a dream. No, I'm in a nightmare. No, I'm in a nightmare. Continue. Hell no! Why would I cook that? He looks like me.
I guess you would want to eat yourself. I mean, I know I wouldn't. I mean, actually, no, I do this sometimes. Anyway, shut up. I didn't do that. I don't know. It's like weird. It looks like some creature. It doesn't even look like a human. It looks like a monster. It's scary. It looks like it was made in a laboratory.
He looks like.
Maybe he's your son. I don't know.
I never remember getting anybody pregnant, so probably not. Maybe he was in the cloning machine.
The cloning machine?
Yeah.
Oh, just like Chef Poo Poo. Yeah, I wonder about that guy sometimes. Oh.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah. No, I'm
Obvious issues. He's dead.
Is he really dead?
And,
I feel like it could be one of those like horror
family.
movies. Just like he's sleeping. And he wakes
Everyone, shut up. I just had a realization.
What?
That guy out there, he could still be around the house.
Oh!
Yeah, we.
Lock the front door.
The front.
It might be too late.
Oh.
We've been talking for 3 minutes now.
Oh, shucks! What do we do? Oh, no!
What if I go check? I have a chef. I have knives. I can kill him. Oh wait, nobody has a saw. He's gonna cut me a pizza. Oh, actually, that'd be quite nice. I'd have some help around the kitchen. Maybe I can convince him to.
He's probably gonna make you into a pizza.
Oh,
I could use my gun. That's at
I'd be a
house.
very tasty pizza. I'd be Chef Pee Pee.
Why do we make these things at my house? Coming to your house, everything crazy happens.
You might be a little turd.
I don't want to be a Chef Pizza. Chef Pee Pee Pizza. Chef Pizza. Maybe the two pizza I named stands for Pizza Pizza. Maybe all goes together.
Like Little Caesars? Pizza.
I don't want to think about it. I'm starting to have an existential crisis. I'll just go get the door.
Okay. You do you.
Charlie's.
Boy!
He's kind of on you. Run!
Okay, I set the trap. Surely that. What was his name? Does emo things guy? Whatever his name is. Surely he won't get in now. Okay, I blocked the door. I don't think there's any way he could get in, so I think he's gone.
Oh. Okay.
Just Phil.
Whoa!
Marvin 2, you know what to do.
Ah!
Where do I go? Ah! Stay back! I have my secret weapon! Action body spray!
That smells like shit!
Now you stupid brat!
Scruffy, get him! Let me try it again.
Please!
He's gonna get us!
Close the door!
I got it! I can't do it! I think it's fine.
It's good enough. I think we're safe in here.
There's no running now.
Ah! My favorite couch.
My head.
What was the point of us running here if he's...
I hear him. My Chef PP name is gonna be Chef Pizza 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 Shop.
Oh no.
Why does it smell like necks?
I may have.
Marvin too.
No! No! Anyways, you guys are dead. Especially because you killed Marvin too.
Wait.
Why would you do this to us?
Brooklyn guy.
Yeah, wait.
Bye.
What?
I'm Brooklyn guy, and I'm definitely not being voiced by someone else. Hardy hardy ho. Haha. Loser. F you.
Oh no.
Why are you doing this, Mr. What was your name again?
Does evil things guy.
Yeah,
What the f? What did you do?
I think my ex-buddy sprays a little too strong.
Your son. Oh.
Oh.
Anyways, you guys are cooked. There's nowhere to run.
Look over there. One slap on the head, and he's dead.
Oh, dang it, you, Marvin. No, I oughta.
Marvin stream again.
I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, come, give me. Okay.
So that just
Oh.
happened.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, what now? Do we
I'm
have
glad I got my voice back. Brooklyn guy.
What do we do? What do we do now? Do we hide the body? Do we hide the bodies?
I think we just go to bed.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this again. I'm just gonna go to
Wait,
bed.
don't answer the door.
What if it's something important, like... Oh, let's go.
If the shit.
I swear Brooklyn guy was just following me. Whatever. What the hell is this sound? Nope. Not doing it.